Mike, wake up. The alarm is ringing.
Turn it off.
It is 7:30.
I cannot get up. My body feels heavy.
Let me see. Oh my God, you are so tired.
Really, I feel exhausted.
You worked too late. Why are you so tired?
I don't know.
Maybe the packing yesterday.
Yes, I packed boxes.
And you worked late.
I am so tired.
Stay in bed longer. I will make breakfast.
What time are the movers coming?
At 9 in the morning.
That is very soon.
We need to get ready.
I am really not hungry,
You need to eat something.
but I feel so tired.
You need energy to move.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, get up slowly.
Sarah, listen to me.
What do you want to say?
You must pack the bedroom.
I really hate packing.
But the movers come soon.
Can I just rest?
Rest is not enough today.
I will pack tomorrow.
Remember, the truck comes today?
Oh, at 9 a.m.?
You cannot delay then.
You are right about that.
You need to pack now.
I cannot miss packing this.
So go to the bedroom.
I will go right now.
Do you need help there?
No, you pack kitchen.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, watch the baby.
The baby is sleeping now.
Just keep him safe here.
Okay, I will stay.
Hello. Sign in, please.
Hi, welcome to our home.
Do you have the paperwork?
No, I do not have one.
Can I see your contract?
Here is my signed paper.
Do you have insurance?
Yes, here is my card.
What are the items today?
We have 50 boxes.
Do you have fragile items?
Yes, some glass things.
Do you have any special instructions?
Instructions for what things?
Instructions for any furniture?
No, I have no instructions.
Please fill out these forms.
I will do it right now.
Then please have a seat.
Thank you very much.
We will start loading now.
How long will it take?
About 2 to 3 hours.
That is reasonable time.
Where is the new house?
It is across town.
How far is that?
About 30 minutes drive.
Okay.
Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
I feel very sad today.
Moving day is here now.
Yes, the trucks arrived.
How long have you lived here?
It started 5 years ago.
I will miss you so much.
I will miss you too.
We had good times together.
Yes, many happy memories.
Where is your new house?
It is on Oak Street,
Is it far from here?
about 30 minutes away.
That is not too bad. You can visit us there. When can I come over?
In about 2 weeks.
I will bring some food.
That sounds very nice.
Can I get your number?
Yes, let me write it.
Thank you very much, Sarah.
You are welcome always.
Take care of yourself.
You too, my friend.
Good luck in new home.
Thank you for everything. You are finally back.
Yes, I am home.
What did the movers say?
They said everything is unloaded.
Did you check the boxes?
Yes, I checked everything.
Did it take a long time?
Yes, it took 2 hours.
Now you need to rest.
I feel very exhausted.
I will watch the baby.
Please close the door.
Rest well, honey.
Good evening, honey.
Good evening to you.
I feel much better.
Is the tiredness gone?
Yes, no more tiredness.
That is great news.
I am very hungry.
Dinner is ready now.
What did you make?
I made pasta.
That sounds delicious.
Come to the table. This house is beautiful.
I love it here.
The rooms are big.
Yes, much bigger space.
Thank you for everything.
You are welcome, honey.
Let's unpack tomorrow.
Yes, we have time.
I am happy here.
Me too, honey.
Welcome to our new home.
Thank you, honey.